In this video, we're going to be multiplying two negative integers together. Okay, so one of the first things I want to look at when we're solving this problem is these brackets we have here. Okay, now the deal with these brackets. We have these brackets here because we want to make sure this negative here stays connected with our number. Okay, so we're using it to hold them together, the sign and the number together. Okay, so do we need to do anything special when we want to do this multiplication because we have these brackets here? In this case, when we look directly in front of the brackets, okay, we're not seeing a number, we're not seeing a variable, and we're not seeing a different sign, okay? Because of that, we can drop the brackets, we can ignore the brackets essentially, okay? So what that means is we can just go ahead and we can multiply negative 20 times negative 4, okay? We don't have to do like an extra step or anything, okay? So there's two parts to doing this multiplication, okay? We're obviously multiplying the numbers together, but we want to make sure that when we multiply the numbers together, that we take care of the signs properly, okay? So there are some rules. When we multiply two signs together that are the same, they could both be positive, or like in this case, they're both negative. Our answer is going to be a positive value, okay? So if the signs are the same, whether they're both positive or both negative, we get a positive value, okay? And that's what we have here, right? We have a negative 20 and a negative 4. So our answer is going to be positive. So I'm going to take care of that right away. I'm not even looking at my actual number value yet. I'm taking care of the sign because that's the tricky part. Honestly, with this type of problem, that's the part that a lot of people get messed up with, okay? Or it's easy to forget or get tricked by, okay? So negative times a negative, they're the same sign. Our answer is going to be positive. So now let's look at the number part there, okay? So the 4 times 20 is just 80, right? Now you might be saying, well, why didn't you talk about the sign there? Well, I've already taken care of the sign, right? Negative 20 times negative 4 is positive 80. So when we're trying to solve this type of problem, you can go ahead and just say negative 20 times negative 4. Oh, I know that's positive 80. Or if you want, you can first look at the signs, figure out what the sign is going to end up, write it down, and then multiply the number parts together. Okay, you're going to get the same answer. Now, I'm just going to rewrite this because generally speaking, when a number is positive, we don't put the positive in front of it, right? So our answer is just simply 80. So the key thing to remember with this type of problem, when we have two negative integers and we're multiplying them together, is that our answer is going to be positive, okay? So the rule is two signs that are the same, whether they're both negative or both positive, give us an answer that's positive, okay? And in this case, that answer was 80. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.